Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexei, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Russ Russell's Taming low-end trick. Russ Russell is a British record producer, sound engineer, mixer and master engineer who has been working with such great bands as Dimmu Borgir, At the Gates and many more. Right now, Russ Russell is going through a lot because of his health issues after his battle with the cancer. And if you want, you can support Russ Russell by donating on GoFundMe website. The link will be in the info box of this video, because Russ Russell is a wonderful sound engineer, and after his battle with cancer, he is going through recovering stage. Right now he cannot walk and he cannot mix. And if you want to support Russ Russell, please do on GoFundMe website. Again, the link will be in the info box of this video. So in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Russ Russell's Taming low-end trick by using FabFilter Pro MB. So in this case, we're gonna be using FabFilter Pro MB on our bass bus, and we're gonna be using sidechaining to sidechain our bass to our kick. So in this case, I'm sidechaining from our bass bus to our kick bus, and I'm using pre-fade mode for our sidechaining. And in our Pro MB, we're gonna create 4 bands, and we're gonna be using external sidechaining only for our low band. And then we have to adjust our threshold. So now let's have a listen to our bass and our kick. Now let's have a listen to our bass and our kick without Pro MB. Now let's have a listen to our bass and our kick in our drums mix with Pro MB. And let's have a listen to our bass and our kick and our drums mix without Pro MB. So again, as you may hear, our bass has a strong low end. But if we're gonna be using FabFilter Pro MB on our bass bus and sidechaining it to our kick, so we can control lows on our bass and we can create space for our kick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to learn from Russ Russell on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. And again, if you can, please support Russ Russell on GoFundMe website, because right now he is going through a lot and he needs our support. And after all, he's a brilliant sound engineer who deserves only the best. Please support Russ Russell and see you next time.